Hey, how are we doing today? My name is Chris Iglesia. I'm the co-founder of Product Champ, and I help businesses leverage technology to grow their businesses more affordably and faster. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to leverage a very popular Google Chrome extension called HARPA AI. All you have to do is just go to the Google Chrome extension store or just go to Google and search HARPA AI. And then it's going to take you to this page over here after you click the link. And then if you don't see this, I recommend only getting it from the Google Chrome store and nowhere else, unless it's from the original developer. Essentially, all you have to do now is go to the article that you want to use. And this is a very powerful tool because it has a lot of different commands that you can use. So this is going to help you create content in not hours or days, but in seconds and minutes. And I'm not going to tell you to use the content and not edit it because that is crazy. What other people are doing, and I don't recommend, is just taking the content that AI generates and just paste it and not edit or give it your own personality or your own strategy, your own flavor, and your own secret sauce. Because without that ability that us humans have, the AI content is not going to have any life with it. And you may think that, wow, this is accurate already. You still want to make sure that it stays humanized and tailored towards your audience and your brand. In order to do that, you have to always make sure that you take the draft and put it into a Word document processor. All you have to do is just use Google Documents, Notion, or Microsoft Word, and essentially to start editing and adding more to that content. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create this draft in seconds. Without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe already because this is going to blow your mind. All you have to do is just hit /. It's going to pop up all these different commands that you can see over here on the right of the screen. And now all you have to do is search outrank. And it's going to show you outrank SEO article. And I have already ran this command on here because I've done this video a couple of times for my other students already today. So all you have to do now is just hit advanced, and it's going to say to please copy or paste an article to outrank, or simply just press enter and it will extract it from the opened web page. So that's awesome. So I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to say, should I include your company name into the article? Yes, because I want it to tailor towards our brands, and we want them to take action with our company. So that's the reason why it's asking for it. So it's really cool. We're going to hit extract. It's going to take all the keywords from the search engine result pages from Google, and it's going to get the biggest relevant keywords and extract them. Now, all I have to do is just hit how to switch from Wix, because that's the keyword we want to rank for, what people are searching. Now it's listing all these different keywords that are found on the search engine result pages on the top result. And now it's starting to write the actual article. And you can see it's actually formatting it correctly this time. Before it was putting it in a cold block. But most of the time, even when it does that, you just have to copy and then you can just paste it and just format it. And still with that, this video isn't even edited. And less than 5 minutes, I already have a whole full-fledged article that I can now give to my target audience and educate them. Because one of the biggest problems entrepreneurs, business owners, and other people just have in general is getting their content created and making it actually good content. What this does is eliminate that weight and it puts all the weight onto AI, and it's okay, cool, I can do this, I'm an expert with this, and it creates a really good ranking article or piece of content. And it doesn't even do blog articles. And you can see in the next future videos that I do, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create video scripts, repurpose other content that you see on YouTube, and create email campaigns really easy with using AI. And this is going to help you enable your team to be juggernauts at their jobs. This is going to totally revolutionize their productivity and your productivity too. All we have to do now with this article is just copy, and HARPA is now asking us if we want to add more keywords, add external links, and we have these other copywriting and writing formats that are used for articles. And you could always experiment with those, but in this video, I'm not going to explore those options. I'm just going to hit enter to hit done. Now that I've done that, all I have to do is go to Notion, and Notion is a very popular tool. It's free. All you have to do is sign up with them. I'll leave the link in the description, and all you have to do is just click it, sign up for it, and it's a very organized version of Google Docs, and it enables you to have more than just Google Docs, but spreadsheets, tables, images, files, all that into one ordered area, and you can keep track of all of your different tasks and projects from one clean dashboard. So I highly recommend using it, especially for creating your content, because you don't want to keep your content in these chats. You want to always put the stuff that you like into an actual document so you have it here. So I'm just adding a new task over here essentially for a new blog post, and I can just hit open in SidePeek and it's going to open it in a new panel over here in the side. And all I have to do now is just paste in this article that it came up with. So I'm keeping the notes up here because now with this article here, I'm going to keep everything else, like understanding the migration landscape, everything else, it's in perfect form, right? So the one thing I think it did forget was adding a call to action. Actually, it does right here. By adhering to this detailed guide, you can expect a smooth transition from Wix to WordPress that doesn't just change your CMS, but elevates your website to new potentials. Join the community of site owners who have amplified their web presence with WordPress, backed by the expertise of Product Champ. So this could be a link to my community, my newsletter, and just get the reader into my community and get them into the next step of the customer journey. And that's how you should be structuring and thinking about the content that you create as well. So I would take this, add a little bit of my own flavor, my own expertise to here, because preparing for your Wix to WordPress transfer, understanding the migration landscape. So it's saying like custom setting up your WordPress site. So this is where I can also put my affiliate link, which is just like my partner link that helps our business make more money. And I could essentially link that into this article now. And when I link this into here, my affiliate link is going to say, oh, use SiteGround instead of whatever the other article was referring to. So it's not copying, simply modeling what's working, taking the keywords and making it into a whole different kind of article. And now you can add your own internal links, your external links, which is external links means different resources that aren't in your actual domain, your website, but it could be another resource. For instance, I could link back out to the website that I referred this to. And essentially now I have a backlink by him being like making this article and referring to him. I'm helping his article rank more. So it's a win situation for both parties because now we're helping each other leverage each other's media and traffic. That's how you can create content easily, ethically, and add your own kind of brand, voice, and personality to it. So now that we have it in here, you can enter this into WordPress, or you could enter it into Product Champ, which allows you to create blogs like that and host it anywhere you want. So essentially, when you have your blog post, you can just copy, paste this in, and now you have a full blog post that you can share with your audience. And the promotion doesn't stop from there. You can now create a whole bunch of different social media posts about that blog post, and you can even create a video with it. There's many things that you could do, but I'm going to save that for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video that I do, because it's going to totally help you guys out again with your marketing and your sales tenfold. And I promise you, if you implement these tactics and these techniques each and every day, you're going to see a huge impact in your sales, in your community, and your overall happiness. Don't forget to implement this and drop a comment, and I will also drop you the free guide that goes with this video as well. It'll walk you through the exact process that I did in this video so you can go and replicate it yourself. Go ahead and leave a comment and I'll send you over that free guide for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to breathe, relax, and don't let bad thoughts hold you back. Have a nice day, everyone.